Bierman.
Alright guys, ito yung awarding ceremony.
And champion for the Super Senior Optics, Mr. Rosendo Castro Jr. from the Philippines.
Slow connection. Oh, champion siya. Super Senior. Hi, Jojo Antonio. Oops. Siya ay champion si Tito Boji. Ninong ni Dalin. Grace Montemayor, hi guys.
Okay, once again, congratulations. PCC Optics Super Senior Champions.
Heidi.
Next on the list is the senior category for the PCC Optics. Third place from the Philippines, Mr. Edgar Yao.
Eddie Yao.
Second place, Mr. Roldan Manzano. And first place goes to Mr. Joshua Icasas, all from the Philippines.
Yes! Wala, natayo na naman tayo niyan.
Sigurado, tatlong Pilipino na yan.
Makabahagi sa inyo. Ibahagi sa inyo pala. I'm sorry, ang Tagalog ko is paduktok. That's it. Joshua, si JJ Casas. Okay.
Okay, congratulations for the PCC Optics Senior Champions. Next on the list is the PCC Optics Lady category. Third place goes to Rica Adrian Evangelista from the Philippines. Second place goes to Perlita Salvador.
Hi, Jeng.
From the Philippines.
Puro Philippines.
And first place goes to Serena Concepcion, again from the Philippines. Okay, congratulations, BCC Optics Ladies winners. Next on the list is the BCC Optics Junior category. I'd like to call on Miss Anda John Mi from Thailand.
Aaron! Hi!
Once again, Miss Anda John Mi from Thailand, third place. Pedro Lactao, second place, Philippines. And Sonaku Mariel, again, from the Philippines. And receiving the winner for the President Medal from France, Mr. Robin Groffel.
Actually, yung anak kasi ni Eric is not from the group of Australasia, pero siya yung nag-champion, pero hindi siya kasama dun sa awards ng champion, the gold and silver, gold, silver, and bronze. So, siya yung nag-champion, recognize lang siya. But of course, Philippines ang champion. Oops, nahulog. Wala yung number 2. Howard ko is watching. Howard, nandito ka.
Okay, congratulations once again to the winner of the junior category.
Okay, that's junior category.
Last on the PCC Optics would be the overall champions. I'd like to call on third place from the Philippines, Mr. Ricardo Luis Hoson. Second place goes to Mr. Daniel Pumecha Jr. from the Philippines.
Pumecha.
And the champion for the Australasia overall PCC Optics is Mr. Renbert Cesar Gostillo from the Philippines. And to receive the President's Medal from IPSC from France, Mr. Eric Groffel.
Robert Femeja is watching also. Genesis on high. Romy Espero is watching also. Okay.
Okay, congratulations once again, PCC Optics overall winners.
Congratulations to all PCC winners, and there are still another categories to announce, but we'll continue after the break. So ladies and gentlemen, please take a 10-minute break.
Okay, enjoy the drinks, gentlemen. And for more food, ladies and gentlemen, more food outside there. 10-minute break
10 minutes
before we
break
go
na.
into the handgun.
Hanggang na. Okay guys, thank you. This is Liza Mese, of course, sponsor tayo dito, di ba?